Alright, so let's learn how to paint beautiful soft clouds using wet on wet technique. So first we'll start with applying even wash of clean water on the paper, and then we will apply a gradient wash of blue and pink color. Once we have applied that, we'll switch to a smaller brush and we'll load our brush with the pink purple color. We'll dab off the excess on the tissue and then we'll start doing the tapping motion on the wet paper. Remember to remove the excess paint on the tissue while you are painting the clouds. And now we will paint different layers of clouds with different colors while the paper is still wet to get the softest looking clouds. And then once you are done with the clouds and it is dried, you can paint some flying birds in the sky, and this is the end result. I hope you enjoy.